couple days and then we'll just
You gotta start building the base there, you know? It's gonna be all sexy for the river. Summertime. That's a nice fucking pool. Box each other out. Thank you, Florida kids!
It's full, y'all can get it!
Help out, everybody! Bell, I'm gonna call Bell over here.
Put it in the box!
I love it.
Oh. I'm gonna kill people.
Back on it, James.
Archer!
Play D!
Yeah,
Play D!
Keep it going!
They just laughed.
We have them right where we want them.
We gotta go. Someone.
Wait for it, James.
Up!
Yeah, we can do it.
Yeah,
Yummy!
Give it to her!
Yes!
Dink.
Boo!
What happened?
Boo! You big bully!
He tried to pull back.
Throw in at the back when the guy came and ran and went like this.
He couldn't help it.
And he just ran up.
I don't know if that's
Got it!
Wait, it might have been
I'm in!
Foul call!
Yeah, foul call!
Nice, Jeremy.
Oh, yeah, don't touch it, don't touch it!
Where were you?
No foul call, no foul call.
That was nice. I thought it was maybe running for a split second. Don't touch it! That's the thing you don't do!
I was just trying to protect you, but I didn't know who you were. Right behind me was going pretty fast. Oh. Wow. Always trying to come back and get it.
Yeah, you don't see that too often.
Never give up on a good.
Well, the other guy didn't give up on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes you just can't turn around.
That whole visual.
That's what I'm trying to